and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alya if you're new here. So in today's video I have 5 different Asian skincare products to review from you, all sent to me by the brand Stylevana. Now this is going to be a completely honest review. I've been testing these products for about 2 weeks now, so I could really tell you my honest thoughts and opinions on them and which ones are worth purchasing and which ones you should definitely skip. And spoiler alert, there is one in here that you should for sure skip. As always, all of these products will be linked down below in the description box with any discount codes I have. So we're gonna start off in the order of how you would use these, just because that's how my brain works. So we're gonna start out with the face mask, and this is the Vitamin C Glow Boosting Face Mask by Common Labs. Now what's interesting about this is, well, one, it is heavily fragranced, and you will find that with a lot of Korean and just Asian skin products in general. They tend to be fragranced. This one is very fragranced and it does smell citrusy. And what's unique about this that I've never found with any other face mask is this literally has pieces of lemon peel in it. Like straight up, there are chunks in it. So when you put it on your face, it feels like a homemade mask almost. Like it feels really natural. And when you receive the actual packaging, it does say vitamin C with citrus lemon peel. Now I just thought that that was going to be like an essential oil scent, but it is not. So the way you want to use this is after cleansing your skin, you want to apply a decently thick layer of this to your face, and you're going to leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you're going to rinse it away. Now the first time I used this was actually the day after I used my tretinoin, so I did notice a little bit of stinging, but then I used it again and I made sure not to use tretinoin the night before, and I was completely fine. That being said, if you're someone who's sensitive to fragrance and things like that, you may not love this just because of the fact that it is so heavily fragranced and the fact that if you have really sensitive skin, it definitely could burn a bit. I'm going to read off some of these standout ingredients for you right now. We have glycerin, we have the citrus lemon peel powder, which is pretty high up there on the list. You have 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, so that is a very stable form of vitamin C, so we love to see that. We also have regular ascorbic acid, citric lemon. We have a ton of different fruit extracts in here, including grapefruit. You've got some kiwi extract in here. There's also willow bark extract. There is some witch hazel in here as well. And you also have hyaluronic acid and just a whole bunch of really great ingredients in here. I'm not seeing like any crap filler ingredients. The ingredients list is actually very natural. And for the price, this retails for $11.79. And this is like a good sized like tub of this, or I guess it's not really a tub, it's a bottle. But that's the other thing I really like about some of these Asian skincare websites like Stylevana, is everything is really reasonably priced. And 9 times out of 10, like, you're paying for really good quality products, when a lot of the things that you might buy in America are just really overpriced and overhyped, and you're really just paying for the name and not the ingredients. But a lot of times on these websites, you actually are paying for the ingredients, so I love that. So I don't have a cleanser here, but I do have a serum, and this is the Glow Serum with propolis and niacinamide, and this is by the brand Beauty of Joseon. I think I'm saying that right. Sorry if I'm not, but I love this serum. Now, I am normally not someone who likes niacinamide. I'm not gonna lie. It usually pills on my face, and I know people are like, oh, well, you know, there's like a process where skin has to get used to niacinamide and like stop purging. That never happened for me. It just happened every single time I tried using niacinamide for 6 months straight. No difference. So that was with the ordinary niacinamide. Not a fan. Unpopular opinion, I know. I really love this one, however. This goes so well with all of my other serums that I've tried to mix it with. Obviously, you want to make sure that you're mixing like these ingredients with things that are complementary, not going to irritate it, but I mix this with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. It just gives the most beautiful, glowy finish to your skin. Honestly, just obsessed with this. So this is something that you can use day and night, and niacinamide is really great for acne prone skin. This also is going to help with dryness and dullness. And I'm going to read off some of the standout ingredients for you right now. So some of the standout ingredients are the propolis extract, you have niacinamide, you have turmeric, you have Centella asiatica extract, which you guys know I love. I use that all the time in a lot of my skincare products. This also has sodium hyaluronate, and you have various different seed extracts and seed oils in here. So it is very hydrating, and honestly, for a 30 milliliter bottle, it is $10.99. That's a really good deal. So I'm very happy with this. I honestly think this gives me such a beautiful glow. It really just evens out my skin texture, and it's a great like base for my makeup, so love this. Next we have the Bellflower Ida Glowing Face Cream, and this is also a 30 milliliter bottle, and this retails for $9.59. This contains niacinamide, idabenone, propolis, and vitamin C for super glowy, bright skin. This is another face cream that you can use day or night. Personally, I prefer to use it during the day because like I'm not really needing to be glowy just to go to bed, you feel me? So this one's really nice, and it's not like a super like iridescent glow, and like when it comes out of the tube, there's no shimmer in this. Like it is not a shimmery, like you can see there's no shimmer in that. It's just a nice dewy glow. Now this does have like a heavy lemony citrus scent. So again, if you're someone that is sensitive to fragrance or like a lemon or orange scent, you might not like this. It personally doesn't bother me, and it's not like it lasts all day, it doesn't give you a headache. Once it kind of absorbs, the scent kind of dissipates. So some of the other standout ingredients are you have apricot kernel oil, you have the glycerin in there, you have camellia seed oil, there's the niacinamide, honeysuckle, propolis extract. There are just so many great things in here. I really like this. This is an easy day cream for me to use. I don't have any irritation from this. Again, it performs well under my makeup, so would definitely recommend this one. Okay, so next I have two SPFs to review for you. This one seems to be more of like an SPF slash primer because the name is Artless Glow Base. This is an SPF 50 plus with a PA rating of plus, so 3 pluses. And normally the SPFs I use have 4 pluses, but 3 is still good. And basically what this means is it is the protection grade of UVA. So the more pluses that you have, the better you're protected from UVA rays. So 4 pluses is the max, and 3 is still pretty good. So, I mean, especially if you're gonna be using this as kind of like a makeup base instead of your sunscreen, you can layer this over another sunscreen. I've done that with no issue. Now this is by the brand Heimish, and this retails for $13.08. So on their website here, it actually says this is a radiant face primer. So that's why I was saying it's great to layer this over your normal SPF 50, especially it has the better protection grade on there. Definitely would recommend. Now this has a very like light, fruity, clean fragrance to it, and some of the key ingredients in here are, you have niacinamide, which you kind of see as a trend here with just like a lot of the Asian skincare. Niacinamide is in a lot of things. Lower down on the ingredients list, you've got some beeswax in there. You have some thyme leaf extract. You also have some peppermint leaf extract. You've got dog rose fruit extract and fragrance. So if your skin gets irritated by peppermint oil or just synthetic fragrance in general, you might not like this, but again, it is so low down on the ingredients list that I don't even notice it, and it's not like the smell lingers. So I really like this. I feel like this gives me a flawless, beautiful glow. I am wearing this today. Love it. Now for the mist. This is honestly, like, I hate to say it, but this is one of the worst skincare products I have ever used in my life, and by far and away the worst sunscreen I've ever used in my life. This is the Farida SPF 50 with a PA rating of plus, so 4 pluses. This is their Avocado Greenery Relief Sun Cream. And when I tell you, this is the weirdest consistency. It is super thick. It does not melt or blend into the skin. It gives you this really bizarre white cast, but the cast is like this weird pinkish gray almost. Like, it is just not, no matter how much you rub your face, this does not absorb in. I wore it for an entire day to just test it out, and it did not, you know, like sink into my skin. It left that cast for the full 8 hours I had it on. So right off the bat, this is a hard pass for me. So I was mispronouncing the name. It's not Farida, it's Fruidia. Sorry about that. But this retails for $10.79. I don't know how this has 4 5-star reviews. Like, I am extremely confused. Everyone's saying that it's really lightweight, the texture is so thin, suitable for all skin types. Those are lies. That is a lie. I'm telling you right now, that is a lie. So I'm gonna read some of the ingredients on this for you right now. Maybe we can figure out exactly why this is the way that it is. Okay, so it seems like this is a mineral sunscreen and the active ingredient is zinc oxide. That would explain the fact that it more sits on top of your skin, doesn't absorb in. Mineral sunscreens don't tend to like melt into your skin as easy. So again, this has niacinamide in there. Further towards the middle of the list, you have various different fruit oils, nut oils, orange peel oils, Centella asiatica, coconut oil, glycerin down there. You got some witch hazel. This has like a very, very mild fruity scent, but nothing like noteworthy or anything that's going to irritate you, in my opinion. I guess out of 5 products, there's always bound to be one that you aren't going to like, and for me it was the Fruitia one. I just wouldn't recommend this. So that is it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you got some useful tips out of it. As I said before, everything will be linked down below in the description box for you to check out for yourself. Please let me know if you've tried any of these products before and what your opinions are of them if you have tried them. Thank you guys so much for watching.